Chris Andre Ditesio, and today I'm gonna show you how to drive a clutch motorcycle, which I myself don't know how to drive one. So let's go through this process on learning how to drive. Let's go! So this is my guy. Say hello to my instructor. He's the one that's going to show us the basic process of driving a clutch motorcycle. Also, its parts.
Okay, Chris, when you're driving, is that make sure you know where's the handbrake is, and the handbrake is this one. And this part in here is the clutch, where you use to change the gear if you wanted to change from low gear until to the high gear. And in here, this is what we call the foot brake. So foot brake, obviously, that's on the back, and the handbrake here is on the forward. Okay? Okay. And then this is the start up, kick up, kick start up. So we have two kinds of start up on this one. You can start it either by kicking or using a push start, electric start. And then it's on the other end. When you change gear, the type of this gear, once you change to primer gear, is the lowest level, and then the rest of the second, third, and fourth, and fifth gear is all up. Okay. Okay, the first step that you're going to do, Chris, is switch on the key. Once you switch on, make sure that there's the lit of the light there is green, it's neutral.
Okay.
So, yeah, okay, that's done. So always double check. So you're wearing complete safety gear, your helmet, your body shield, your elbow shield, and also your kneecap shield. Okay, so which is good. And bear in mind, when you start the engine, it's in neutral position, so you won't create any rush when you start it up. Okay? Okay, so as you go through, you have all the process ready now. Okay, you can start the engine.
So first is what?
Yeah, it said the lit is green already, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you can start the engine now.
Start the engine.
Don't press the clutch. When you press the clutch, only when you change gear. Okay, so when you change the primer gear, so make sure you have the clutch ready, and then you release it slowly, and together with the timing on the revolution on your right hand. Okay, so try it. Okay, release slowly, and then once you run up, just keep going. That's it.
Get familiar. What's your name? Babylon. Just come on and play. Don't worry about money, no doubt. 오빠가 머리 할게.
So I told you, don't forget to press the clutch when you change gear.
Alright, I'm a boy, you are a girl. I'm a boy, but you are a girl. I'm a boy, you are a girl.
Okay, so you know on the primer gear, right? So it will come to stop. Yeah. So as you can see, when you run on the primer gear, then you can press your clutch again, going up to the second and third gear. So let's just stick it to there. So don't forget to press the clutch as always, so the engine won't shut down. And timing is the important. Okay? Okay, why don't you try it now? Primer gear. Okay, just run. Change to second gear. Third gear.
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you, Mr. Instructor, for teaching me. And remember always, safety first. Bye-bye!
Oh no. Bloopers. Ooh. Yeah, man. Oh, ayaw kapag wala takar. Huwag ka to, murag expert po tayo.